Whoa, hey. Alright. I know what you guys are thinking. Fern Jr. Vlogs, what the? Where have you been? Where's your videos at? I just been slacking lately, but it's alright. I'm back on YouTube. I haven't even posted my Cummins video, the C10 videos, Lola video. I haven't posted nothing. But yeah, right now we're picking up the Cummins. We about to go throw the bumper on. And all the color match pieces we painted for it. Got the damn wires hanging and everything, but it's alright. We're gonna give old girl a start. Don't mind the inside, it got a lot going on right now. We're just doing some paint, some color match work to it. But if y'all don't know already, cause I didn't make a freaking video about this, but y'all know, it was in my last vlog. But yeah, guys, y'all missed a lot I need to tell all y'all about. And you know, what's going on with the drop shot? Where's the tow pig? Are y'all building it? What's the deal? Let me know. Let me just pull out my Cummins and put the single cab in. All right, so check it out. We got all my painted pieces. This is the front bumper valence. It's a little dusty, but let me close this bay. Alright, so we got all the bumper plastics painted, the valence, the fog light housing, the centerpiece. We got both of the antennas, the shark fin and the other little one. And then we got all the front sensors painted as well. And then I did take off my rear emblem to get it painted. And then eventually I'm gonna take off the rear bumper and get it color matched as well. But I think I'm gonna wait on that for a little bit, probably until after I install the lift and all that. But yeah, I got some of the parts in. I got all the shocks, the bags, the tank, and the compressors and stuff. And then we'll be able to powder coat and throw the kit on. It's been a while. I don't know if y'all know yet, but I did order my lift for my 2020 Cummins. The lift I ordered is an ArcWorks air ride kit all the way around. I've been planning on doing this kit even before I bought the truck. Most of y'all follow me on Instagram. If you haven't, make sure to check me out, FernJr_. But I don't know if y'all know this guy named Andy Roby on Instagram. Shout out to Andy. He has a red or a maroon 5th gen. He has the same lift kit as me. The only difference is mine's gonna be higher. Mine's gonna go up to like a 6-inch lift, and his is dropped. Let me show y'all how these look in the sun, man, cause it's beautiful. Completely color matched. PXJ is the paint code. Check that out. So yeah, guys, we're gonna start off with the headliner and put it back together, put the antennas back on there. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's those where those two little pieces of tape are. There's two antennas. You'll see here in a minute when we install them. But we're gonna start off with the antennas, and then we're gonna reassemble the front bumper, which is over here. I also threw the 1/2-inch Wicked bumper spacer kit in it, just so I could clear the wheels and tires. But yeah, guys, here's the F450. It's like 90% done. The only thing we're waiting on is some parts from Plan B Fab, but we got everything else already ready. We got everything powder coated, and we got all this chrome plated. That's right, chrome plated, guys. This isn't powder, this isn't paint. This is chrome plating. We got the headlights, we got the grill, we got the mirrors, we got the door handles, all color matched. I'll show y'all those. The grill should be back over here. 2020 Cummins and the 2020 Limited are gonna be done soon, guys. Everything's on back order right now because of this Corona stuff still going on. It's gonna be worth the wait. Gonna be one of a kind, guys, and I can't wait to show y'all. Let's get started on putting it back together. Yeah.
Fern Junior shirts.
Yeah, check out the new merch. Let them see, Tim. I was talking about the drop shop, but yeah, hit us up for PDR. We got a new website coming up. We're gonna have these drop shop shirts. Not the PDR. That's Tim's custom trademark right there. So, but yeah, the drop shop, the front drop shop with the colored outline. We're gonna have a couple colors on our website. Basically, what we need to do is take out these two mounting brackets and put the fog lights back in, the centerpiece back in, and then the sensors. Here, let me go show you out in the sun. So yeah, check these out. We painted the sensors as well, and everything on the bumper that was plastic, we painted it just so you get that luxury feeling. You know what I'm saying? Not that factory. Tuck it, tuck and roll, tuck and roll.
Yep,
Throw away the seeds and stems.
That back side. Got it. There you go. Do the top one.
Hey,
first.
check out that wicked bumper spacer. Shout out Wicked. You check out that slime green, boy. Hey, I was gonna tell you to powder coat these. I was like, fuck it. That'd have been dope.
I didn't see that.
Yeah, that'd have been gangsta, huh? Little in that.
What does that do? It pushes it.
It's a 1/2-inch bumper spacer, so I could clear like. I don't know if it'll clear, but it'll not rub as much. Cause I don't know if y'all notice. I
barely
rub a
rub
little
now,
bit.
so you should clear.
Instead of trimming it. Yeah, that's dope.
Yeah, I mean, I don't really like to trim, you know, if I don't have to. And I'm gonna be on air anyway, so I don't want to trim.
Bumper space.
But yeah, we need to do some touch-up paint. All right, so we got the fog light housing on, the centerpiece on. All we need to put on is the valence. We're putting my antennas on. We're just gonna put them on and then put the headliner back together. And then after that, all we gotta do is just throw the bumper back on and throw my wheels back on, but we'll probably do that tomorrow, just so we don't have everything hanging and shit in here. Check out this decal I made though. Shit's dope. Yeah, I don't know, Tim. I don't see no stars in my ceiling.
Not yet, sir.
Not yet. Hey, coming soon, coming soon. I do see this headliner dancing though. Look at that, limited. Ain't no need for suede if you got this headliner. Look at that, like my paint, boy. But yeah, guys, let me know what powder coat color y'all think I'm gonna do. Make a guess down below. I already know the color I'm gonna do. I already have it in mind. Some of y'all have already seen it on my story on my Snapchat. Make sure to follow my Snapchat and my Instagram and all that. We're finishing this one up. We're probably gonna finish the bumper tomorrow. Call it a day after this headliner. But yeah, guys, I got some more content for y'all tomorrow, and then hopefully I can upload this video this weekend. But yeah, guys, y'all ain't ready for the lift kit I'm about to throw on this thing. It's gonna be insane, man. I'm gonna be Fern Jr. on air. Limited Fern Jr. on air. Got some more parts coming in from your boy Scott over at Arcworks. He sent us all the hardware, and then I think in here is the mounts. Oh no, actually this is my safe from Locker Down, and then this is the bags, the airbags, and then in here I believe is the mounts. But yeah, here's one of them. So there's 4 of these. They basically just replace the coils. But yeah, all we gotta do is sandblast them, and then they're ready for powder. I already have the color made. It's gonna be you know what, you'll see. I ain't even gonna say, but you see how these have like this little space. He puts his emblem right there. It's like an overlay. So I'm gonna just powder coat this all, and then the overlay I'm gonna do. It'll look pretty nice.
You just said you weren't gonna say the color.
I'm not. I'll blur it out. Yeah, so basically we have all the parts. The only thing we're missing, suspension components. Hopefully I can install my safe today for you guys. Shout out to Lockerdown for sending me a safe. I really appreciate y'all guys. If y'all need any safes, any gun safes, whatever, make sure y'all check out their products. We sell them here at the shop. Do not drive without your bumper on, especially if you got a new truck, because look at that. It'll eat your fender liner. I know, I'm dumb, all right? I took off my bumper and I drove it home and I f***ed it up. On this side, it's not that bad. I'm gonna order 2 new fender liners just so it's not messed up. Check out my uncle's ride. Hey, I left your tools back over there, cuz. 2414s. Got the LED switchback handles, mirror lenses. This is where we sandblast everything to get it ready for powder coat. Here's all the parts from ArcWorks. Shout out to Scott for getting these to me. These are all the mounts for the bags. But yeah, let's get it started, boy.
I'll powder them because they're raw.
Yeah,
They're gonna rust.
I'm gonna powder these as well. This is the powder coat booth. This is the oven. As you can see, all these sandblasted, ready for powder coat. Got some parts for the F450 Limited. This is the powder coat booth. That boy Marco, shout out Marco. He helped me pick out my powder coat color. We made it badass color. It's a one-of-a-kind color. Nobody else will have it. But yeah, I can't wait to show y'all guys what I got planned, man. It's gonna be some badass shit. Also, I forgot to mention, we do got another customer here at the shop. Another one of Scott's customers from ArcWorks. Let's go check it out. Kind of hard to get an angle, but you get the gist. Airbagged all the way around. Can't wait to throw it on and review it for you guys. Let y'all know what I think of it. But that air ride kit is gonna be going on that Limited over there. Y'all wait on it. All right, so good news. I didn't realize this, but my 3H air management kit already came in. Yeah, so it came in with my bag. We got all the pieces of the puzzle. The only thing we're missing is just all the lift components.
Yeah, nigga tryna drill like a boy. Yeah, don't gotta get no award. Yeah, live in the bank, gon' do fraud. Yeah, 200 racks on my own.